In Creo 12, a new option has been added to enable the simulation option in Density Variability menu for custom lattice. To describe the enhancement, let's use a 3D model of a simplified beam lattice made only from straight curves that is in a separate PRT file. This is just a regular Creo PRT file. Now, let's create a new lattice using the regular workflow by selecting a body, creating a shell, and in this example, let's use the PRT file as my custom cell. The regular process is working here. The cell is propagated inside the body. Nothing new to this point. This is the regular processes with custom cells. Now let's create a structural simulation. We can see that under these conditions, the stress levels are higher on the extremes of the part. Let's export a file with, in this case, 200 prof points. This file will contain 200 values sampling all the part. Let's go back and resume the lattice with a custom cell. We can see the custom cell uniformly distributed inside the part. The project done in Creo 12 is to enable the creation of simulation-driven variability based on the simulation file that we produce. Here we can see that the simulation option is no longer grayed out for the custom cell. Let's adjust the parameters a little bit, and now we can clearly see that the beams on the highly stressed zones are reinforced with thicker beams. The benefit of this option are more flexibility to prepare 3D lattice models using custom cells, using a straightforward workflow, and supported inside the same familiar lattice user interface. Thank you for your attention.